Hi and welcome to how to print in Eclipse. Okay, you see that this very tutorial I intend to use, I already have it on YouTube, and here is that is the URL. Okay, if you want to have a good look at it. It's actually developed using object-oriented technique. So what I'm going to do is, let me just demonstrate how this works. Supposing we intend to go for that material over there and the travel distance is about that. Labor, let's say that would be about 5 hours, and we also need this very material and this. And supposing you intend to give this customer a discount of 15%, there we go. And you can even maybe, let's say it's 20. Look at what's going to happen here, there. And you can print out the receipt. Okay, we can only show the receipt, but we cannot print it out. So the whole idea is for us to add a button here so that we can print out this very receipt. So I'm going to exit now. Okay, the first thing is these very buttons. I'm going to reduce the size of these buttons so that I can make room for my print button. Okay, just select each button and reduce it there. Let's do that for the last one here. There. So that's the size of the buttons reduced. So the next thing is, maybe I can just copy one of these. Let's just copy one. Right click and copy the button, and let's paste it right in here. There. And let's change the details of this very button. In the first place, change the variable to, let's see, the naming technique is btn. Alright, and just change that to btn print, and we enter print on. Let's display print as the text on it. Where is the text? Come right down, come on. There we go, paste that in there. Yeah, now that is done. Okay, the next thing we need to do now that is done, I'm going to have to go straight into the code section. So we can just click on the code itself, or you can just come right to the button there, right click or double click on it actually, or you can right click and select add events. Okay, right there, and the event we want to add is action perform there. But we won't be able to achieve anything yet, not until I import the following. So right up here, I'm going to import the following library for my printer. So underneath here, let's import, let's go for java.awt Windows tools 8. Okay, I think we already have that somewhere. Yeah, what is going to be for the print device, that's the one I want. Print, there we go. Yeah, that is fine. It's already added here. Let me just expand that so that you see it. I think it should be down here. Look at it, it's right down there. The other one that I'm going to need is, let's import Java fx dot print dot printer. I think that should be uppercase. Let's come here, printer there, and I think that is all. I only needed those two, and because I'm going to be printing from my JText area, that is automatically imported anyway. There it is. Okay, now that that is done, let's go back into the design area. The design area should be right underneath. Okay, now that is my printer there, the printer button like you saw earlier, and we can just click on the add event action perform, and right there we enter as follows. So I'm going to start by entering try cache. Okay, so in here, first thing first, let me call txt reset dot, let's go for print dot print there, and enter semicolon there. Now underneath here, what I'm just going to enter is cache. I like it to cache as follows. Let's say java.abstract windows tools dot print dot printer exception, this very one. And where is that? Let's just say E, and enter underneath here the curly bracket there. You see all the errors are gone. Then we can just output a message there if anything should happen. Let's say error printing format dot format. And what will the message be? Let's just go for no printer found. Yeah, that's good enough for me. Close that up, and in here the argument is going to be, let's say e dot get message there, and enter semicolon there, and that's all there is to it. Take a good look at that. Just those few lines of codes, you can use that to create your own printer. And up here, let me show that to you again. You must import these two libraries, and that's all there is to it. Now let's go into our system and we'll try it out, but before then let me show you the lines of codes again. Those are the lines of codes. Now run the program, click on OK there. So let's enter some material in there. We want 7 of those, and how many miles? 23. Oh, that's label is 23, and the miles traveled, let's say that one is 12. Chrome, 4 of those. Discount 20%. Total. Print out receipt, and click print, and that is it. So if you have a printer nearby, all you need to do is hit on the print button and you see printing in progress. So with that, guys, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you enjoyed. Bye for now.